What is it? Peacock. It is a peacock. Peacock is an attractive bird. Peacock is famous for its bright color feathers. Peacock can be in green or white color. Spot the peacock. No, it's a hen. No, it's a bird. Yes, it is a peacock. Know about peacocks. Breast, crown, crest, feathers, tail, leg. A peacock's tail feather can reach up to 6 feet. Only male peacocks have feathers. Peacocks can fly for some distance. Fun facts. Peacock is the national bird of India. It is one of the largest flying birds. It can make 11 different sounds. It is commonly seen in rains. Who is the national bird of India?